Hello, Jenny. Hello, Tony.
Hello, Gogo. GTV. What does it mean?
Gogo TV, of course. I'm going to the airport now. Do you want to come?
Yes, please.
Good. Get in. Can you help me, please, Tony?
Of course, Gogo. We want Zach! We want Zach!
There's Zach. Let's ask him some questions. Excuse me. May I ask you some questions?
All right.
Can you see me, Tony?
Yes, Gogo. I can see you clearly.
Can you hear me, Jenny? Can you hear me, Jenny?
Yes. Don't speak loudly.
Ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Hello, I'm Gogo. I'm speaking to Zach. How old are you, Zach?
I'm nearly 11.
When's your birthday?
My birthday's in December.
Zach's 11 and his birthday's in December.
Sing, Zach! Sing! Zach, sing! Listen, they like me. I'm going to sing now.
He's going to sing. What are you going to sing, Zach?
I'm going to sing a new song.
Zach is going to sing a new song. Have you got a guitar? Zach has got a guitar. He's playing his guitar. He's getting ready. He's opening his mouth. He's going to sing. Do you like singing?
Stop talking! Be quiet! I'm not going to sing now.
I like singing. Let's sing! Let's sing! Let's sing! Let's sing and sing and sing. Let's sing and sing and sing and sing and sing.
Thank you, Gogo. Good night from all of us at Gogo TV. Good night, my friends, good night. It's time to go to bed. It's time to sleep, it's time to dream. Good night, my friends, good night.
Good night, my friends, good night. It's time to go to bed. It's time to sleep, it's time to dream. Good night, my friends, good night.
Thank you for watching. Sleep well. Say good night, Tappy.
Good night.
Say good night, GB.
Good night.
Say good night, Pod.
Good night, Pod.
Good night.
night.